Right now I'm in the Golden Aster Scrub Preserve, right outside of Riverview. It is a backyard preserve, which is pretty much what most of the open space around here is. Get down to the water. I don't know if these little ponds or lakes or whatever you want to call them have a name. This one's pretty cool. When we first got here, we weren't sure what all this stuff was in the trees. We found out it was called Spanish moss. It actually grows, I guess. But it definitely does make these trees look cool. Check this one out. So I found a little pond. It's pretty little, but I can imagine in the morning and the afternoons it's going to provide for some water for wildlife. That's pretty cool. Be a good place to set up with some camo and shoot some photos of some birds in the mornings. One of the things that was surprising to me and Amanda when we got here was the pine trees. When we left Colorado, we thought for sure we'd never seen pine trees again. Well, these aren't the Colorado type pine trees. They are definitely pine trees. Pine trees with pine cones. As you can see, definitely pine cones in those trees. These trails are marked. They're blazed, which for a little city park or whatever little preserve, I was quite surprised. As you can see here, I'm on an alternate spur, alternate route, so it's blazed yellow. I saw an armadillo cross the trail here. He's probably already scurried into the bushes, but we do have a lot of armadillo around here. You can see his little paw prints right there. He came all the way across here. Well, it looks like we found the bigger lake, and it is considerably larger than the one before. This is pretty cool for being in your backyard. A lot of people forget what they have in their own backyards.